this video on creating an AWS account. Creating an AWS account is the first step to leveraging cloud services for businesses or personal projects. This guide simplifies the process. In this video, we'll cover the 7 steps to accessing the console. Now, click Create an AWS account. Next, we're going to enter the account details. Name. So I'm going to use CyberChristie Coach. Now I need to verify my email address. Asking for a CAPTCHA to verify I'm not a robot. Now it wants my confirmation. Okay, checking my email. I receive an email that looks like this. You can see my verification code. 143458. This is a one-time password, otherwise known as an OTP. And then go ahead and select Verify. It's you! Great! It's confirmed me. So here I use a password keeper. You want to use some sort of strong password, 12 to 18 characters, upper and lowercase letters, numbers, symbols, everything. The longer your password, the more variety it has, the harder it is for some sort of bad actor to get to your account. So I'm going to update my password keeper so I can always access it. Now I'm going to hit continue, step 1 of 5. Perfect. Now you can see we have free tiers. You have 12 months of free for certain products, trials, there's trials depending on the product. And then how do you plan to use AWS? Is it personal for your own projects, business for work or school or organization? This could fall in either, but I'm going to go ahead and select business. And I'm going to fill in my details. I blocked some of this stuff out for privacy reasons. I have read and agreed to the terms of the AWS customer agreement. Then click Agree and Continue, step 2 of 5. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my credit card information. Then select Verify and Continue. Confirm my identity. So I'm going to go ahead and receive a text message. Need to add my mobile phone number. Security verification. Now I received my code, and I'll go ahead and input my one-time code. And since we're doing this, we're going to just select basic support free. You can always upgrade or do another option if you'd like to. And now we come to a complete sign up. Woo, we made it! We're in the AWS Console. Now select go to the AWS Management Console to get started. Congratulations, you have just created your AWS account. Congratulations on taking your first bold step into cloud excellence, unlocking endless possibilities and future success. And I'd like to thank you for watching.